Warning, use a real estate agent to rent your property here in Jamaica. I am warning you. Listen, my mommy always said, don't be penny wise and pound foolish. You may regret not using a real estate agent here. All right? Hi, y'all. My name is Elizabeth Whitaker, your real estate agent here in Jamaica. My contact information is 876-316-3381. Hey, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel for more informative video. Let's dive in. Number one, there are persons out there trying to scam you. They will pay the first month's rent plus deposit and that's it. You may say that's not possible. Yes, it is. I have a friend who her spouse have an apartment. Nice neighborhood here in Kingston. And that is exactly what happened to him. You understand me? So I can tell you that that's a possibility when you don't use an agent. So when you use an agent, it is my job as a real estate agent to investigate potential renters to assess if they are good, if they are of good characters. Somebody may say, how can you know? Well, in our line of work, trust me, there are times when we spot them a mile away. Yeah, because you see them in all different shapes and forms. I can tell you, I've been there. So with that said, using due diligence, an agent helps you to avoid rotten, scamming, broke, deceitful tenants. How do we do that? Again, we investigate. Due diligence is a part of our process. We help to investigate their background, which again, you may not even have the time to do. But as real estate agent, it is our job to listen. Avoid the stressful calls from our clients. We take those on. So you don't have to be like, okay, I have a meeting at 8:30 in the morning and 3 o'clock in the morning, you have somebody ringing off your phone, disturbing your rest when you have a packed day ahead of you. Because what? They want to find out if the property is still available. It is our job as real estate agents here in Jamaica to take that stress off your hand. Yes, and that way you can relax and rest. All right? It is our job to do the paperwork. It is our job to ensure that the viewings are done, to investigate the documents, to do background checks. As real estate agents, do you know that we do background checks and potential clients for your property? Yeah, man. We don't just get somebody and send them off to you. We do our own little background checks to ensure that, remember, you know, in this life, my mother always said the only thing that is certain in life is salvation. Yes? But as real estate agents, and for those of us who take our job seriously like I do, we do our own background checks and potential clients, and that way we give you the best possible chance of getting the right client for your property. Where you get that client, you have no stress in dealing with that client moving forward. Yeah, man, it's our job. Trust me, I know. And again, as a real estate agent, it is not costing you anything out of pocket to get a real estate agent to list your property for rental. Let me show you how. You ready? You call me and said, Elizabeth, I want you to list my property. Remember, when I come in here, you're not going to stop at the ATM and pull out some money and say, okay, here you go, Liz, for your stuff. No, Elizabeth have to perform. Yes, the potential clients that you're getting for the property are the ones who are going to pay me? How are they going to pay me? Yeah, man. Remember that clients have to pay their 1 month security deposit and their first month rent. And the first month rent is what is going to pay Elizabeth to ensure that she get the perfect client / tenant for your property. So you do not have to worry about going in your pocket for anything. All you have to do is to rest assured and know that Elizabeth is on the case. That's it. That's all you need to know. Once you come to me, yeah, man, that's it. Again, don't be penny wise and pound foolish. Hi, I am Elizabeth Whitaker, your real estate agent here in Jamaica. My contact information is 876-316-3381. Listen, you can call me at any time. I am here. And don't forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye, y'all.